What is happening, everybody? All right, take a look at that. Wanted to bring this to y'all's attention. If you guys are driving a Hellcat or an SRT and you're running 17-inch Dark Stars or some other form of 17-inch drag wheel setup on the back of your car, take a look at your adjustable shock wiring. There's a chance it could be rubbing. Now, I have already rerouted this, so this will give you an idea of how I'm rerouting this. In the process of putting in some heat shielding after doing the Rezo delete, a little bit less room up there, so I'm just protecting those wires. Decided to give everything a good once over because I got nothing better to do, right? COVID. Anyway, was giving everything a good once over and ran across this bad boy. So you might want to take a look at your car and consider rerouting that wire. Now, I did not find a problem on the passenger side. This is the driver's side. Car's up on ramps right now, but that'll give you an idea. Been driving it around like that for apparently quite a while. So, at any rate, I've rerouted this, and again, I'm going to get this buttoned up, but just a public service announcement from your good buddy Brian. Check out the wiring, make sure that nothing has come into contact with anything if you're running those 17s. Also, if you've done a Rezo delete with a 3-inch pipe, that's what it's going to look like, but you will run into some slight clearance issues. Throw a little bit of heat shielding on there just to protect everything. But that is what I'm fixing. Check yours out to make sure you're not going to run into the same. I'm going to wrap this up. Catch you on the next one. Adios.